Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sir Jess once again. So let's have the continuation of our discussion in objective number 4. So since we are done in objective number 3, in which the objective number 3 is to ensure the positive use of ICT to facilitate teaching and learning process, PPST 1.3.2. Now let's have the objective number 4, and it's all about use a range of teaching strategies to enhance learners' literacy and numeracy skills. So let's tackle this objective number 4 to enlighten the teachers in the CO, or classroom observation. So this is to enlighten the teachers, and also this is based on my experience. So I am sharing to you my experience about this objective. So this objective, using a range of strategies that enhance the learners' literacy and numeracy skills. So this objective focalizes on the ways of teaching, on how we are going to make our learners learn well in reading, comprehension or understanding, and counting using the fundamental operations in mathematics, whatever subject you are teaching or you are handling. Okay, so this objective number 4, use a range of teaching strategies to enhance learner achievement in literacy and numeracy skills. This is PPST, or Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers 1.4.2. Alright, so we are focusing here in the numeracy skills and literacy skills, or I should say literacy skills and numeracy skills. So this can be applied in whatever subject or learning area you are teaching. Okay, just like for example, if you are going to attain the literacy skills, you will ask your learners to read a text, a sentence, a paragraph, or a story. So allow them to read the text instead of you, or instead by you, in order for them that they are the one who is reading the text presented, to emphasize that they are the one who is reading it. And you can do this by group reading of the learners, or by group. Just like for example, if you have 2 rows, and then you have group 1 and group 2 when you are having group work, then you can have the group 1, all the learners in group 1 will read the paragraph or the story or the sentence or whatsoever, and then followed by group 2. Or you can have all together. It's like that. And if you want individual reading, you can call a name of a learner or a pupil to read a text, a story, a paragraph, or a sentence. So you attain the literacy skills because you are facilitating them to read it. And when you want to attain or to have the numeracy skills, or you as a teacher will ask to the learners relative to a number. Just like, for example, how many household members do you have in your family or at home? How much is your allowance given by your parents? Just like that. And if you have contests or games, like for example, you facilitated a game or a contest, then you allow the learners to solve for their points or scores they obtained. So that's it. So there's an integration or incorporation of numeracy skills. Diba? So that's how you are going to integrate literacy skills and numeracy skills in your lesson or in your CO or classroom observation. And it depends upon on you as a teacher on the strategies that you are going to perform or do with your learners in order that your classroom observation will be fun, will be um, filled with excitement and a lot of learnings. All right. So that's it. And take note that this video is for sharing of my experience. So that's all about the objective number 4. Use a range of teaching strategies to enhance learner achievement in literacy and numeracy. PPST 1.4.2. So that's all guys about my sharing of my experience in this objective. So see you on other explanations and discussions in other objectives. So that's the wrap. Thank you for watching this video guys, and I really appreciated your watch or your view in this video. God bless and have a good night everyone. Bye bye.